Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy pickled carrots. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh carrots, vinegar, water, and your chosen spices. Next, prepare the carrots by washing and cutting them into uniform sticks. Then, we'll create a delicious brine and add the perfect amount of heat. Let's get those carrots ready. You'll want to wash and peel about 1 pound of fresh carrots, then cut them into uniform sticks, roughly 3 to 4 inches long. For the brine, combine 1 cup of vinegar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Stir in 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar until dissolved. Now for the exciting part, the spice. Add 1 to 2 sliced jalapenos to your brine for a medium kick, along with a few garlic cloves, peppercorns, and fresh dill sprigs. Carefully pack your prepared carrot sticks tightly into clean, sterilized pint jars, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed among them. Once your jars are packed, pour the hot brine over the carrots, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Remove any air bubbles, then seal the jars with new lids and bands. Process them in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. For the best flavor, let your spicy pickled carrots sit for at least 1 week before enjoying them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.